Xiaomi just launched Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro. Xiaomi 14T starting price of €649 and the Xiaomi 14T comes at a starting price of €649. The Xiaomi 14T come in lemon green, Titan black, Titan blue, and Titan gray colors. The Xiaomi 14T Pro come in Titan black, Titan blue, and Titan gray colors. Both the Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro boast a 6.67-inch 144Hz 1.5K AMOLED display with 4000 nits peak brightness and a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. The Xiaomi 14T features the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra SoC, and the Pro variant is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor and 12GB or 16GB of RAM. They will also include features like Circle to Search and Gemini, along with other advanced AI features. The Xiaomi 14T Pro has a 50MP Light Fusion 900 main camera, a 50MP telephoto sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 32MP front shooter. The Xiaomi 14T and the Xiaomi 14T Pro house a standard 5000 mAh battery and 50W wireless charging support. While the vanilla variant offers 67W wired fast charge support, the Pro variant has 120W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.